Hello everybody and welcome to this WaterGEMS example demo of the MicroStation Interface, TRex and Google Earth integration. So as you can see here, I've opened up WaterGEMS within the MicroStation Interface, which allows me to use all of the WaterGEMS tools and features as well as the MicroStation tools, and we'll see that a bit later on. So I'm basically starting this model from scratch. You can see that I have drawn out the pipeline, but that's all I've done. I don't have any elevations or anything like that. So if I zoom into the bottom area here, you'll see that I've got a lake here represented by a reservoir, and I'm going to create a profile from there to have a look at what we've already got. And I'm going to select the tank right up the top here to get the entire pipeline. So tank 1 there, and when I OK that, I'll just rename it a lake to tank profile. You see that we're going to get all zeros. I've got no information in here whatsoever. So we'll turn those off. All zero at the moment. So luckily getting elevations into this pipeline is going to be very easy using the tools from the WaterGEMS menu, and in this case TRex, which is for terrain extraction. So the data source type, as you can see, there's quite a few different data source types available. I'm going to use the Bentley DTM in this case. So you may get the DTM from other products, roads products, mine cycle survey, these kinds of files. So the file that I want, I'm going to use the mine existing terrain, and it's in meters. So I'll just change that over. Now I'm going to leave the rest of them as is, because I'm just going to do the entire thing, although not all the features are going to be covered in a second. So 260 of my features are located outside that DTM file, but I've got a second file that I can use, so it's not a problem. So I can OK that. I then get a preview of all the elevations that it's going to put in for me, and I'm going to put it into the base physical because at the moment it's blank. I have no other information, so it's not going to overwrite anything. So when I finish that, I can see my profile to see what actually happened. And now you should see I do have elevations for some of my features, although from the reservoir here up to the mine area I still don't have anything. But the nice thing about TRex is that I don't have to do it all at once. I can go back a second time, open it up again with the same type of file or a different file, it doesn't actually matter, and grab a second file, this time the mine to lake, and open that up, change it to meters again of course, and then next that one, a different amount of features are located outside of the file, which again is okay. Here's my preview, and this time when I finish it, it should have an elevation profile now that has every elevation filled out, and there you see it. So there's my pipeline, fully completed using two different files of the same type or not, doesn't matter, to overlap basically and cover the entire length of it. So now that I've got the elevations in that pipeline and I've drawn it out, I might want to make sure that it's in fact in the right position and everything with Google Earth. So I'm going to use the actual MicroStation tools here, not WaterGEMS tools, and to do that I'm going to export a Google Earth file. And when I save that, should now open up Google Earth and zoom into the area where that actual pipeline is being designed. So you can see that we're over in Canada here, and there's the lake. You can see Francois Lake there, and you can also see that my pipeline is following these roads. So Francois Lake down here, and the pipeline starts from the lake correctly, follows the road up loosely, and then into my mining area, which over here, as you can see, has not been built yet. So happy with that design, and I can now save that file, open it up in the standalone version, or continue to work in the MicroStation interface. Thank you very much for watching this.